Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are in the car doing a car mukbang at Checkers, aka Riley's.
Yes, this place should have been open for years ago. They took so freaking long to open this place, but this place is busting right now. It's like, because everything fresh, so you know we gotta hit it up.
Yeah, when you have a new spot that just opened, you know the oil is new.
Everything new.
The appliances is new.
The Hollywood.
So, we have some fries, and I have some honey mustard here. What's this called, honey?
Mother love or some crap.
Some chicken sandwich. Mother Cruncher.
Yeah, cruncher.
Mother Cruncher chicken sandwich.
So I got the number one, the Big Buford.
Oh, the Big Buford.
No pickles, no onions, you know? And then I also got a chicken sandwich too, so you know?
That's how it looks. You guys can have a bite. It's Friday.
Give him a bite, please.
That's how the chicken sandwich looks. It's supposed to be like a crunchy chicken sandwich. It looks good. You know, I had them add cheese to it. You know, I love cheese.
Here you go, mine. I just put some honey mustard on it, but you know, I love the sauciness, you know? What I'm saying? Take a little bite first. There you go, take one. Don't bite the napkin. Come on now. All right. The rain gonna rain and stop.
Oh, it is raining.
Family, I was gonna buy the triple meat. I see it. Rain.
Wait, a triple burger?
Triple meat. This is only the double meat I order.
So wait, I mean, so it has 3 burgers?
Yeah.
That's too much meat.
3 meat. That's what I was gonna order. But I said nah.
You know, Checkers fries?
Best.
This how they come in these little things. Ain't that cute?
Yo, is that because the fresh tastes better?
I'm telling you.
Fresh is better, family.
I've always wanted to taste their fish sandwich.
How is it? Hey, chicken.
Chicken. I'm gonna taste fish next.
Yeah, this is chicken sandwich right here. French fries is fresh. Everything is fresh. Hopefully, you know, when that new place open, we start off good and it gets ghetto.
Like Popeyes.
Yes. And then we stop going there.
Yeah.
And switch up. Right, family? I hate that, right? The place start off nice and then it gets ghetto after a while. You know what I'm saying? How you manage the place.
That's true.
But this chicken sandwich is good as hell, though. I ain't gonna cap.
You got chicken too?
I never bought chicken sandwich from when important. I always buy the Big Buford. How was your day, though? Happy Friday, you know?
Oh!
Well,
We didn't even do it.
cause we were hungry.
We was hungry, sorry.
Sorry, family. But
Why are we eating Checkers today, my love? Because it's
you forget that you still asking me. Because it's
Fast Food Friday.
F in the building. Family, we were so hungry. We forget. We so hungry right here.
I knew it was something that was missing, but I couldn't put my finger on it until
But
you
they were telling us.
I know. My bad. Our bad. Listen.
They were saying it to us. How the hell did they forget that? What happened?
Richie already started eating before the Fast Food Friday even started.
Hungry family.
Hungry man. Ooh, it's a fish sandwich.
Look good, right?
Yeah. Didn't put no cheese on my fish sandwich.
You look cute. I tell you for what, but then it's the same piece.
This is how it looks. Ooh, sorry. I asked them to put a slice of cheese on there and they
forgot.
did not.
You know, we're gonna go back and then tell the woman. I mean, she give us the next sandwich. I tell her I forget because I got a receipt right there, sir. Family, we're gonna go back and I'm gonna get the next fish sandwich.
So far,
Good, right?
my favorite fish sandwich is from Clover's.
Bust your palm, cover your fuck. All right, now, family. I know you're saying you got a Big Buford too, so where it is? I'm gonna show you where it is. Just relax and give me a chance to put my honey mustard.
There's another one there too.
I know. Gotta get everything, fam. Love my sandwich saucy, if you know that.
I switched from the chicken sandwich to the fish sandwich.
Favorite piece here?
Sure. Would I buy the fish sandwich again?
Mm-hmm.
No.
No? Oh, no. I don't like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's give you a piece with
Would
the
I buy the chicken sandwich again? Yeah. Not the fish one, though. Oh, that look good.
There you go. Take one bite real quick. One quick bite. There you go. There you go. I don't know if they can see, but it's alright. They can see.
I'm watching people that work. They're in the plaza working.
I love the big Buford. What y'all get when y'all go to Checkers? Let me know.
Yeah, so no, I wouldn't get the fish sandwich again. But it can pass.
Is it pass?
I guess I'm comparing it to Culver's fish sandwich. And Culver's fish sandwich is really good because they use, you know, cod fish.
Yeah.
This fish sandwich, you can tell that
Just like this.
it's
Like something you buy in the freezer. Yeah, say it. I know.
in the freezer.
As I look at it, I saw it. Take a piece with the honey mustard on it. There you go.
Wow. And you're gonna get 3 patties?
I do it all the time.
That's a lot of meat.
You want to taste mine? Wow. I love my sandwich messy, yo.
5.
Messy's the best. Best way to go. Messy. But I love midday fries though. The fries be hitting.
Their fries, you don't need any sauce to eat.
No sauce.
You can eat by itself, but you know us, we gotta be extra.
No sauce. Busted. Good?
So what you guys have planned for the weekend? I know I ask you every Friday, but it's okay. I'm nosy.
Same thing.
I hope you guys have something good planned.
Real.
This weekend, I will be watching season 3 of All American. I've been waiting for it for months, and it's on Netflix, season 3. It was already on TV, but I didn't want to watch it, an episode this week, an episode next week, an episode the So I wait until all the episodes have been uploaded to Netflix, and then I sit there and binge watch it for the whole weekend. That's my plan.
Wow.
And have so much fun.
Enjoy. I'll be slavery.
You be at work?
Wow. Okay. It's fresh. I like when it's fresh. Right. No go for the fish sandwich, huh? I know you didn't like it. It's just like regular.
Yeah, it doesn't even taste, at least like, I could, you know, a McDonald's fish sandwich is good too. I like their fish sandwich, even though, you know what I mean? It's still frozen. But Culver's fish sandwich, if you eat their fish sandwich at Culver's, you could never eat another fish sandwich from anywhere else, like a fast food place.
Culver is good. Don't worry, I eat it for you.
I don't think I've ordered a fish sandwich from
What?
like a restaurant.
I never think you. No, you always order breakfast.
Yeah. Like, no, I mean like if you go to dinner or something like that.
No. I like they burger because they be seasoned, like they put the season inside the damn meat.
Yeah. Even the Richie and I went to the restaurant the other day for breakfast, for brunch. Remember we was telling you guys And he put the Cersei, remember? If you have no idea what I'm talking about, that means you didn't watch yesterday's video.
For real. First they calling you out now. First they don't call out people, you know. I do the calling out. But now, first they call us, that means you didn't watch the video. And you better watch the videos, because family, I don't know when we're going to say what we're going to say. All right? I got to watch.
You got to watch.
Okay.
And that was the first time I went to a restaurant, like a breakfast place, and didn't get pancakes. I got a bacon, egg, and cheese sandwich. Bacon, egg, and cheese.
New York style.
New York style. And like a week ago, we went to the same restaurant with the family. And my cousins, they ordered that sandwich. And I was like, who comes to a diner and order a bacon, egg, and cheese? That sandwich was so good, I couldn't stop thinking about it.
I couldn't tell because I don't eat.
It had pork on it. So when Richie said, let's go back to that diner, I was like, shoot, hell yeah. And I ordered that sandwich. It was so delicious.
She tore that crap up, B.
I promise you, I probably could have eaten another one.
Family, she went hard for the count.
It was really good.
As long as the first lady like her food, I'm good.
But
I like when she don't like her food.
But honey, it was so simple.
Very simple.
Just bacon, egg, and cheese.
Yep. Simple.
But it reminded me of New York.
Yep, she never ordered that before. See? She didn't like the fish sandwich. See, now I gotta go devour it. You know? As long as that's what I like when she orders stuff. That's not pork, and I could eat it. If it was pork, now that shit you do in the street. Yeah.
But yeah, I was very impressed with that sandwich because in New York, I used to order bacon, egg, and cheese with a hot chocolate and go on a number 4 train to go to work or go to school.
Well, I'm giving an honest opinion about the fish sandwich. It tastes like the fish sandwich they'd be giving in school when we go back to school. When we was in school, elementary days. That's what it tastes like.
It doesn't taste
authentic.
Yeah.
They didn't even try.
Exactly.
Especially to their burgers and their chicken sandwich and their fries.
It's so good. So I think they should just stick to that.
That's a specialty.
Yeah.
American bar one. But I'm gonna eat it though. I'm gonna eat it for first day, you know.
Nothing ain't gonna go to waste in this house or this car.
That's what I like. As I said before, I like when she orders stuff that I know if she don't want it, I could eat it. The pork, bye boy. I wasn't gonna eat it.
I tore up my chicken sandwich though. That was good. And my fries.
Good. Good thing the fish sandwich is the only thing you bought. Good thing of that.
Wait. Do chicken sell onion rings?
I don't even know. Family, do check and sell onion rings? Let us know.
Cause you know I love onion rings. I want to order some onion rings.
Comment down and let us know if check and sell onion rings. Let us know.
God, this parking lot is busy, yo.
It's buzzing. Cause we're in front of the Neil's Buzz.
Everybody going to
the pizza place? Yeah, this
place at Checkers.
The fish sandwich no good.
Yeah.
It's no good.
I wonder if that pizza place is good because it's new. The amount of people that we saw to come out of that pizza place. I thought it was a drug ring.
What is it called? Anna's. Anna's Pizza. Everything I ate. Except the fish sandwich.
Yeah.
So no go for me.
I won't buy it back. And you know what's so funny? You know how long he been trying to get me to taste your fish sandwich? And I was like, I know I'm not gonna like it.
Nah.
And it's true. But Culver's? Yes, I'm talking about Culver's again. That's right.
Yes, we are. We gotta give props and props is due.
Yep.
So, we appreciate y'all rocking with us as always, you know. Enjoying this Fast Food Friday, you know, it's something like, you know. We came, we was praying for it to happen, to open, and it opened now, so we just had to try.
Yep. Whew, I'm full.
So, with being said, let me leave you off. Oh, that's the frozen stuff, the frozen ice cream you don't like.
Yeah.
Let me give you the word of wisdom, you know, real quick. First lady, listen. Family, your life is your message to the world. Make sure it's inspiring. I said that before?
No.
You hear that one? Okay. Let me know.
That's true.
Because sometimes I don't know which one I say, you know? But y'all still relate.
Yeah.
Y'all don't mind. But
That's a good one.
other than that, we appreciate y'all. Thank you for rocking with us. If you're new, we are the Greedy Couple. This is First Lady, A.K.A. Shanice.
That's right.
This is Richie, A.K.A. Chatty Chatty Pasta. Welcome to the family, you know, where we talk about anything. And they are First Lady.
Oops. And they are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us.
You.
We will see you guys next time for another what? Car bang.
And I do not care bang, man. You love care bang.
Bang, 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 bang.
Yeah, your mind too freaky.
Bye.
First Lady, so I gotta